Good morning, everyone. This is Shane, your Nappy Chef. So I have a question. My mango grass, if you've been following my channel, have been doing really great. And now they're starting to get these little seeds. I don't know if this is the fruit or what's going on. I'd like somebody to update me. Are these all going to develop into mangoes? So these are the flowers. And it's pretty low to the ground. There's a beautiful one. Look at that. Okay, but I've also noticed that if I wait a couple of weeks, they all invariably end up looking like this. So I'm not getting any mangoes. So what's the deal? Here's another one. You can see all those little flowers, and I guess that's fruit, but I'm not sure. So please leave some comments and tell me, what do I do? How do I encourage these trees to grow, and so I can get some mangoes this summer? I mean, I don't want these things to get all ate up. So please like, comment, and subscribe.